Welcome to Palm Beach Gardens. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert here in South Florida, and today we're touring Avenir, a master plan community that's redefining luxury living for families and retirees alike relocating to this area. From custom designed estate homes and resort style amenities to over 2,400 acres of nature preserves and trails, Avenir offers more than just a place to live, it is a lifestyle destination. Whether you're moving from across the country or already call Florida home, this community delivers the privacy, comfort, and elegance that luxury home buyers are looking for. So if you're considering a move to South Florida and want to see what makes Avenir one of the most desirable addresses in Palm Beach, you're in the right place. Let's take a tour. So the home we're coming up to now is called their Madeline model, and while the exterior of this home was designed with a more contemporary, modern elevation, which you see with the bold colors and contrasting stone and wood accenting, the inside of the home has been upgraded to be light, bright, and airy, with a luxury gourmet kitchen with a built-in microwave oven and wrapped hood, stacked shaker cabinetry, and a Cambria quartz waterfall island. The Madeline comes naturally as a one-level home with nearly 2,300 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a den off from the foyer. But this particular model has been designed with their second-story bonus room option, which is completely optional. The owner suite and lanai has been extended another 4 feet to make their spaces even deeper, and these sliding glass doors off from the great room and lanai are a 4-panel, 10 feet tall, and open up the entire back of the home, letting in more natural light and giving you a great view of the pool in the backyard. And if you find yourself needing even more space, possibly an extra bedroom and bathroom, but really like the flow of this floor plan, they have the option to add a second-story bonus room, which adds another 400 square feet. This is also one of the few builders that allows for you to build a pool alongside construction, and they are one of my personal favorite builders as they don't lock you into cookie-cutter homes like many of the others, but you're actually able to customize their floor plans in over 20 different ways to truly personalize your home to fit your family and lifestyle. And that's before you even go to the design studio where they offer hundreds of finish options. Something else that I love that you may have not noticed is that they build with more windows and include more square footage of glass than most other builders in the area, filling their homes with more natural light. Thinking about making a move to Palm Beach, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's work together to find your dream home. Now, if you like this home, you have a few different options. Where I'm at today in Palm Beach Gardens is within Avenir, but set apart as a high-end resort 55-plus enclave, so you'll have your exclusive access to your very own private club, complete with a resort-style pool, a full restaurant and bar, cutting-edge e-gym fitness program, a cold plunge, and more. Residents also enjoy the added benefit of a dedicated lifestyle director to keep the community engaged and active. But if you're looking for an all-ages community and amenities are still important, whether it's for golf or something more exclusive like a country club, I can help you build the same model in Port St. Lucie at a lower price. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida.